Hello everybody, how are you doing? I want to talk to you a little bit about a controversial topic. The solar and how it's going to help you or not. I got a 100 watt solar panel from Harbor Freight and I got it on sale. And I'm going to tell you, I've used it for a month now, and I want to tell you my readings on it. Of course, I got the battery and the inverter and a couple more things to help the system and to utilize it in my house. I also got this because on the controller itself you're only running from the solar to charge up your phones, and of course your inverter, it's a 700 watt inverter or 750 watt inverter. Well, it's not going to run my induction hot plate and it doesn't run my coffee maker, so that was a big bummer. And I got the small battery, the tiny battery from Harbor Freight. It's only 35 amp hours, but I figured if I just use it a little bit at night and we'll see how it goes. Just a test. This is what a test for me. This little box that I made, I got the controller on it, got the inverter on it, have the battery beneath it, and you see my phone's being charged up just off of the controller there, the PWM controller. So I had to get this because I wanted my phone's charging off the battery. And there's my battery in there, and it's connected to the PWM controller and the inverter. And it works out okay. This is just temporary. I have my solar panel sitting outside, and it's the sun that I get in the December months here. So, and sometimes I have to angle them. And there's a little nail there that I can brace them up on. I've got two panels connected and then two panels connected, so I can just move them in and out of my house. Now, before I forget to tell you about the other vampires. Yeah, the vampires. Anything that has a small box on it that you plug into the wall is a vampire. It's even things like your TV set, your cable box, that's a big one. That's a big draw. So anything like that that stays on, get it into a breaker bar. So here's what you've all been waiting for. In the past month, I've saved a little over $14 getting rid of the vampires and putting them into a breaker bar or power bar, whatever you call them, and utilizing my small system the best way I can. Everybody have a fantastic, and I do mean fantastic, 2019. I'm going to be working on getting a camera so I can give you better content. My phone is not working right now for me.